welcome back to the channel. I'm Katie, if you didn't know, and I make kind of travel vlogs currently on my Walt Disney World and Universal holiday with my husband. If this is the first video you see, go back, there's a few others. If not, welcome back. And today we're off to Magic Kingdom and EPCOT. This is such a vibe for a morning. Love We have made it into Magic Kingdom. Oh, I think someone's just got proposed to. Cute. I told Adam that his favourite breakfast meal is stopped serving at 9:30, and he's now just legging it down Main Street to get to Fry's Nook. It's quite entertaining.
Oh yeah.
I'm just following on after him. I'm not running. I'm sure that they don't stop serving it at 9:30, but it was a ploy to get him out of bed and get him going. And he's on the mission. So I'll let you know when he gets his breakfast tachos from Fry's Nook. See if he remembers the way. So it's been a little while since I've updated you with what we've been doing. Adam didn't get his breakfast tots because they don't do them anymore. But he did get cheesy bacon ranch tots, which we had the other day, and he enjoyed them. We then went to Gaston's Tavern and I had the creme brulee croissant, which is a solid 10 out of 10. Need to get on board with that one. We rode the carousel. And then did the Hall of Presidents, which, to be honest, I could have fallen asleep in. But it was great for the AC. And we're now heading into Tomorrowland to get a couple of rides here done, as we haven't done very many in here, apart from Tron. So yeah, I'll keep you updated with what we do.
This is the TTA Blue Line. Non-stop service. That's good.
we did the People Mover, the Carousel of Progress, and then Tomorrowland Speedway. We had a bit of a traumatic experience on Tomorrowland Speedway. I was getting cramp in my leg, so stopped pushing the pedal and asked Adam to, but Adam couldn't find the pedal, and then when I pushed it again, because the people behind us were like crashing into us, I pushed it down onto his foot, and he's now milking it and making me feel bad. But we're leaving Magic Kingdom now. Sorry, he's just limping off into the distance. We're leaving Magic Kingdom now and going to get the monorail over to EPCOT for some eating, some drinking, and some of the rides that we didn't get done the other day. So yeah, I'll see you then. So we made it into Epcot and rode Guardians, as it was a 50-minute wait. We got a new song.
Okay, headed for the jump point. This plane is never gonna work. Rocket! Well, okay, I've locked onto your vehicle. We'll be right behind you. Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Rex! Good luck! You get it.
Nothing's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done? I think we're jumping back.
A new song. We got Everybody Wants to Rule the World, which actually I thought went quite nicely with it. So we're now 2 out of 6 for songs, and now we're both peckish. It's eating round the world time. Whoop whoop. So I'll let you know what we end up grabbing. Excuse the sweaty mess and the lack of updates throughout the day. It was just too hot, and we were eating lots, so constantly like stopping, and I could have vlogged, but it was just too hot and I wanted to eat my food. So sorry, but I will update you now. So after Guardians we went to Canada and I got the cheddar and bacon soup, which was really good. I think I rated it a 9 out of 10. Then we did Canada Far and Wide, the like 360 cinema thing, which has now made me really want to go to Canada. We then did France, and I got the spice brioche cheese thing, which was okay. I didn't realise it had cheese inside, and it spilled all down my front and on my leg, and it was like burning hot cheese. It's a lot of fun. We then did Remy's, which was see Hollywood Studio, see Tower over there.
Ah, oh voilà. Venez. Suivez-moi, je vous prie. Chef Remy is waiting for you. This way.
Then after Remy's, I'm trying to think, we did. Oh, we went to the ice cream shop. Adam got chocolate and caramel ice cream, and I got the croque glacé, which was alright. The brioche just, it didn't taste like I thought brioche should. It was like just a bit overdone. Then we went and looked at the patisseries and got a drink. Didn't buy a patisserie, I just took photos for my mum because she loves that sort of thing. And then moved on, got the Brazilian cheese bread, which I heard was great and was like the item of the food festival, the food and wine festival. No, I didn't like the texture of it.
I think it's just because I'm hot and I'm rubbing and
I can't really describe it, but it just was a bit, made me gag a little bit. So, sorry, Adam just turned around and laughed at me for that, but it did. So I didn't really like that. Then we walked around, did Frozen, which felt long in the queue, but it was very nice once we'd done it.
Snowman, fun, she's making everyone a snowy summer day. You're going to Elsa's ice palace. Let's go. I'll go, and it'll be so beautiful. First time in forever. Another song. Let's just follow these lights. 'Cause for the first time in forever. Doesn't make sense. Winter's a good time to stay and cuddle for pussy and summer, and I'll be a happy snowman.
It was very nice once we'd done it. And then I thought, as a little treat, I'd walk sort of over to the boardwalk so Adam could get the massive mozzarella stick. He loves mozzarella sticks, so I thought it would be a nice little treat. I ended up sharing it with him and it was delicious. I really enjoyed it as well. So now we're just walking round the boardwalk to get their buses to any park, so then we can get the bus back to ours, and then I think I'm gonna pick up a pizza. What are you doing? Oh, that's fine. Gonna probably pick up a pizza, sit and chill in the room and call it a day. Yeah, I'm really sorry I haven't updated much today. It's just been too hot too, and I've been too much of a sweaty mess too, to be honest. But I have taken a couple of videos, so I will put them in to kind of show you bits and bobs that we've done. But yeah, it's felt like, according to the weather app, it's felt like 42 degrees today, which is not nice. Not nice at all. See the Skyliner. There you go, look, you can see Batu. Lizards! Lizards everywhere! Ooh. Morning. Again, didn't wrap off last night. It's becoming a bit of a habit. So we ended up walking to Hollywood Studios from the boardwalk, which actually wasn't a long walk at all, and would recommend. We then got the bus from Hollywood Studios back to All Star Movies, grabbed a pizza and just chilled watching the NFL highlights in bed, and listened to the almighty thunderstorm that happened last night. It was huge. But yeah, that's kind of what we did. So this vlog's been a bit of a vlog. But if you have enjoyed it, I would appreciate the like, and if you haven't already, subscribe. And I'll see you next week for the vlog I'm about to start in a second. Alright, see you soon. Bye. Good morning. Today we are off to Volcano Bay. Woo! Yeah, so we are heading to Volcano Bay this morning once Adam's out of the shower and ready. We are planning to be there for the majority of the day, and then I think we're going to hit up Buffalo Wild Wings for dinner. It's a firm favourite of ours, so we are going to do that for dinner, and then just see where we're at time wise for the evening. But I've got my ASOS swimsuit on and my zebra print shorts. Oh, one thing to point out that I wasn't aware of until I literally just googled it: Volcano Bay do not provide towels for free, so you're better off bringing your own, whether that be from home or from the hotel with you, or it's like $7 I think to hire them for the day. But yeah, we're gonna bring our own. But I'll let you know how the process all works, because I don't know much about lockers either, as I've never been. Neither of us have, so quite excited for something new. But I'll let you know what we get up to. I will probably film mostly on my phone because I don't trust the waterproof thing with this camera and recording, and I've got little floaty phone pouches, so if the quality's a bit bare, then you know why. But I'm probably going to just leave you in a locker for the day. Sorry about that, guys. I just don't want to risk anything happening and it breaking. But yeah, so I'll see you all soon, and I'll next show you around when we get there. Alright, see you soon. Bye. Good morning. So I didn't really film much yesterday. We were at Volcano Bay for the majority of the day. I've done like a couple of clips of us like in the rapids and on the lazy river and in the wave pool, but you can't film on the rides anyway there, so didn't, and the camera was locked away in the locker for the majority of the day. We then went to Buffalo Wild Wings for dinner, which was great. We love Buffalo Wild Wings. Sorry, I've just realised all our day while she was in the background of that. And then we got 30 bonus wings. We got a sweet barbecue, honey barbecue, garlic parmesan, Nashville hot and original buffalo with both blue cheese and ranch. And we also got some potato wedges on the side. And we we bossed it and we finished that, and those plates were clean. We clearly worked up a bit of an appetite swimming around. One thing I will mention about Volcano Bay that I think is a little bit cheeky is that the lockers cost $25, which I think is a bit steep, considering a lot of people are going to want to be putting their valuables away. Like, you can't take your phone with you. If you've got a wallet, you're not going to be swimming around with your wallet with you. And like, there's just that, you don't want to leave it when you're elsewhere in the park. Obviously, if you've got someone that wants to sit and sunbathe all day while you go on the slides and whatever, then that's fine. You don't have to pay for a locker. But also, like, the clothes that we then got changed into after, I wanted to be clean and dry. Whereas I think if you kept it with where you were staying, you could potentially get it all sandy and horrible. But that's just to pre-warn, $25 for a locker, because I was a bit like, oh, okay. We were going to go to Typhoon Lagoon today. It is currently 10 to 11, so we've had a bit of a slow morning. But yeah, we were going to go to Typhoon Lagoon, but we have a habit, whenever we go anywhere where there's a pool, we forget to top up our sun cream. And Adam is quite burnt. I'm not too bad. I've got very pink legs, and a little bit on the top of my shoulders. But yeah, Adam's whole back and shoulders and front is quite burnt. So we didn't think sitting by a pool doing slides again today would be a great idea. Oh, I'm gonna roll Volcano Bay and today's vlog all in one. So please keep watching. So we're going to go to Disney Springs because Adam's got a couple of bits that he needs to get for our fancy pants dinner that we've got at the end of the week. There's one last thing I don't know I've seen that I kind of want to buy for my Halloween party outfit, which is this evening. Put a comment. Any guesses? Any guesses? I've not really hinted at anything or made any clues other than the fact that it's one of my favourite Disney characters, from one of my favourite Disney Pixar films. There we go. That's the only hint you're getting at the moment until later. But if you think you know, pop it in the comment. And yeah, so we're going to do a bit of shopping, have a light lunch, then we'll come back, get ready for this evening. I think Adam's just going to go in his usual stuff, but we'll see. I have got a top that he can wear if he would like to. And then we've got the Halloween party later. And I will go into a bit of detail because I don't know if I've already mentioned, but Adam's got a peanut allergy. It's not a severe peanut allergy. He doesn't have an EpiPen. He just gets hives and a bit of shortness of breath, so he can take an antihistamine and we'll be fine. But I know that the majority, or at least some of the treats that you get when trick-or-treating at the Halloween party are nut-based. So we are going to try and get him an allergy-friendly bag. I don't know if this means that he's going to end up with a load of, dairy-free, gluten-free, egg-free, all of the allergen-free stuff. But we're going to give it a go. I want to show people how it works because it's one thing that I've not seen on any other vlogs. And I think it's just good to know that people who do have allergies can be catered for, who might, then be put off doing the parties because they don't think they're being catered for. So yeah, or put off, we'll still go to the parties, but maybe not trick or treat because they didn't know that this was available. So we're gonna film it all so you guys can see it, and hopefully that will then be useful for anyone with allergies. But yeah, I'm just waiting for Adam to finish up in the bathroom, and then I might wash my hair, dry my hair. I might not. I've got to sort it out later anyway, so if it goes a bit frizzy, it's not the end of the world. But then, yeah, we'll go over to Disney Springs and I'll kind of do a bit of filming of what we get up to there, but it will be mostly shopping, to be fair. I've also had my last half of my Gideon's cookies, but I will be picking some up before we leave to take home. I want to get a big box to take home, so then I've got them at home. But yeah, so I'll keep you posted on what we get up to. Thank you for putting up with my videos. They've not been the best. I'm very new to this. I'm getting used to it. Any that are a bit short, I might just clump together. Like, I think I'll clump yesterday's in with today's. But just appreciate it, and if you could like and subscribe so more people can see it, and give me a confidence boost into posting more. We've got quite a few trips, not necessarily Disney related, but we've got a few trips next year planned, as we've got quite a few weddings here and about the UK and abroad that we can do some vlogs on. So yeah, anyway, we're off to Disney Springs. I'll see you when we're there. So we went to Disney Springs, had a very successful shop. I got a new Loungefly, which you will see later as it's part of my Halloween party costume, which I am in. I'll do a big reveal in a bit. And then Adam got some bits for our California Grill dinner later this week. I also got something else that I'll show you in a haul. I haven't bought much stuff for myself. Well, actually I haven't bought much at all, just food. But I'll show the things I have got in a haul. We are almost ready to go, and it is chucking it down. So that's fun. Hopefully we don't get rained off. I have a horrible feeling we will, which won't be fun, but we'll see what happens. And then yeah, we'll be heading over to Halloween, Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party soon. Exciting! I will do a costume reveal in a bit when we're on our way to the bus. Not that you'll probably see anything, because I'll probably be wearing a poncho. But yeah. Okay, see you in a bit. Bye.
I hope by the end of tonight all you're seeing is candy. Yeah, that should be the anthem.
It doesn't get any better. Does it? He does seem confused. No way. What is your accessories? You don't have any spots? No, it's not spots around here. Yes. Yes.
No, it was to you, to you and to you and you. Hey! All right, a little bit there. All right, how about this? When the cadaver dance say, hey, you all say what? Let's try it. Hey! What? What kind of ghost haunts a hen house? What kind? A poultry guy's.
We are officially at the party, and I am Mike Wazowski. I do have my Monsters University hat, but we're currently heading over to Tron, so I'm not going to put it on. We've done Space Mountain, Teacups, Peter Pan, and Winnie the Pooh.
You'll never reach that tree.
Mommy! Mommy! Oh dear! Hang on tightly, Roo! Look, Mama, look!
Beware.
We have also done some trick-or-treating. Number 1 duck! You even dances like you, Ads.
Applesauce soup.
I like applesauce.
I like applesauce too, yeah!
I knew you would have got it. I knew you.
Okay, that reminds me of a great joke. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Oh, we gotta put the microphone on. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
And one more time. 3rd time's a charm. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock, knock.
Knock knock. I mean, who's there?
Who's there? Wait, whoa. Okay, you just... Okay, let's try it again. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Orange.
Orange? Who?
Orange, you glad I didn't say banana? Give it what you got.
But when we are back this evening and I sign off, I will give you information about the allergy bag and how that all works once we've kind of gone through the whole system of it. But so far it was really easy. We just went in through the main gate, asked can we have an allergy bag, and they gave it to us straight away, and then you collect tokens, but we're not sure how the exchange process works, so I'll fill you in later. But yeah, we're heading over to Tron to get a night ride of Tron in. But yeah, all in all, having a great time so far. Love the effort people have put into their costumes. It's amazing. But yeah, so I'll keep you posted as to what we're doing in regards to treat stops and shows, etc. But yeah, having a great time. See you later.
that we do. And to you we confess, it's the one to rest. It's good to be back. It's good to be back. It's the
Oh, my boy's going to be at the back. I definitely am.
as Halloween arises, beware of the surprises. It's the fun thing we do to scare you both. Both the young and the old. Unlike anything you've ever seen. Get ready, for this is Halloween. Dear friends, it's wonderful to have you here. For I, Jack Skellington, have a tale to tell. Yes, Halloween is a night filled with surprises. Playful tricks, playful treats. What? Anything can happen on Halloween, as some friends found out on a night much like this one. Oh, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Oh, Zero! Here, boy! Zero! Where is that dog? Ah, there you are, Zero. It's time now to take our friends on a Halloween adventure. One they'll not soon forget. Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat for Halloween. Hey, look! A dog! It's a ghost dog!
His collar says zero.
I think Zero wants us to follow him into that house.
Or no house. That house doesn't look very inviting.
This house is spooky.
Goofy, stop shaking. I'm not shaking. Well, if that's not you, then who is it?
Happy Halloween!
And that is the party all done. I'm actually wrapping off the vlog the same night. What an achievement. It was really, really good. It rained the majority of the night, but we did bring our ponchos. We got on quite a few rides, did a fair few treat stops. I think we ended up doing about 7 or 8, maybe more. I've got a full bag, Adam also has a full bag. So the way that the allergy bag worked is every treat stop where they would normally fill the normal bags, the allergy bags got a blue token, and at the end you could take it to somewhere in Liberty Square or the town hall, and they took your tokens out of your bag. You said what your allergies were, and they went round out of all of their allergy friendly stuff and filled the bag up. The only thing Adam couldn't have there was some Werther's thing, but they filled his bag up. We don't actually really know what's in the bag, but we'll have a look at it, and I might just add in a little clip of what it is at the end. But yeah, we had a really good spot for fireworks and parade and things. They brought the parade down early because of the weather, and it wasn't a full parade. I'll put clips in. The gravediggers didn't do their proper jig, but yeah, it was a good party day. I'm very tired, looking forward to going to bed. But if you've stayed this long, please like, subscribe, and tell me your favourite part of a Halloween party in the comments. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow. Well, you can't really see me, but I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.